Hello there. So today I'm going to show you guys how I depot my makeup into these super freaking cool palettes I got from Glam Tech. She's on Etsy. She's amazing. You can totally customize these palettes. I freaking love them. So first things first, you are going to want to get something hot. The best thing to do is a candle because it freaking smells good. Why not? And then a paper towel. And we're going to take a clean metal spatula and we're just going to scrape off the sticker on the back because we don't want that to catch on fire. And then all you're going to do is pop on that powder or whatever makeup that you have over a candle, and what we're going to do is we're going to heat it up. And the reason we're heating it up is because there's glue that is holding your makeup pan into the packaging. And so once that is soft enough, you break that glue down a little bit, you can kind of pry open the pan out of its container. Every container is different. Sometimes it takes a few times, so don't force it because you will break your makeup. And that's a pain in the ass to fix. So basically that's it. Super, super simple. Just take off that sticker, heat it up, do this for however many products you want to depot, and wait for that glue to get warm, or else you will break your makeup. So give it time, be a little bit patient. It does take a while. And I'm going to show you guys a cool little thing. On the back of most packaging of makeup, there's a little tiny hole for where you can use a pin or something tiny to push that makeup out. So instead of having to pry it out with a spatula, you can use a little tiny pin and it just pops right out like that. Super simple, but you have to wait for that glue to heat up. All right, then you just want to blow your candle out or keep it lit. I don't really care. It's up to you. But we are going to get some Goo Gone. This stuff is my jam. Super cheap. Works. It does smell like crap, but that's okay. It doesn't really matter. It works to get that sticky glue off of the bottom of your makeup. So yeah, that's basically about it. So you want to soak your paper towel and let it sit for what feels like forever. Best piece of advice is just let it sit, walk away, and then come back to it. So literally wait for 5 hours. Just kidding, but it feels like it. So we're back, and I'm just kind of scraping off all of that glue. You can wipe it on a paper towel, whatever works for you, but I feel like this is more effective. So I'm using the spatula and just wiping it all off. This is a little bit time consuming. You just got to make sure you get all that glue off, and then wipe, 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 wipe. One of those did not really want to come up, but that's what happens. So just repeat it again, get some more Goo Gone on there, let it soak. And if you guys ever worked with me, you know I'm super anal when it comes to my workspace. So I like to make sure everything's super clean, super pristine. You just want to make sure you get all of that Goo Gone off because it is really sticky and it stinks. So I like to use Windex. You can use anything, but that's what I like to use to keep the pans really clean and not sticky. Then you throw them in your palette and you're basically done. It's super simple. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. But you can buy any makeup palette from anywhere, and you can put any makeup that you want into it. Just make sure that it is magnetic. And I will tag Glam Tech because she's got awesome palettes. They're super thin. Look at just how clean and awesome and beautiful they are. I think I bought 4 from her, so highly obsessed. Go check her out, and there you go. So I went from 3 packages to 1 tiny slim package.